good, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be special. We're going over my product research method for 2023 on how to find your next Shopify dropshipping winner product. This product research method has allowed me to find products just like this that has generated $500,000 in literally a month and a half. The product research strategy that I'm about to show you has been private for a while now, and I'm going to show you a little glimpse of it. I'm going to show you how to find your product, how to know if it's going to be a winner product, and how to save hours and hours of time testing and all the tribulation. This video starts now. Let's go. So I created this little doc. It's 3 pages long, and I'm going to summarize it for you and give you literally everything you need to find your next winner product. If you're brand new to Shopify dropshipping or the channel, e-commerce has changed my life. I've made close to $6 million online. I'm just 21 years old, and this product research method has been the secret behind it all. So listen very closely and how I show you guys how I find these winner products over and over. It literally takes one product to change your life. So without further ado, let's begin. Now, before I show you some ways to find your next $100,000 winner product, I want you to remember there's someone on the other side of the screen who's going to make that decision whether to buy or not to buy the product you're trying to sell. So don't be an idiot. Ask your mom, ask your friends, or even yourself. If I was scrolling on social media, would I buy this? Okay, it's something to keep in mind. This is a very powerful statement. Selling products online can get really simple when you put yourself in your customer's shoes. If people have a problem and your product can solve it, or even make them feel a certain way, special, confident, happy, etc., they will pay for it and you will be able to scale it to 6 or 7 figures. Many times you won't be able to get it on the first time or even 5th time, but never stop testing and get better at the process every single time. Product, website, viral video marketing, organic or paid ads. This is the formula to making $1 million online. Master it. I'm saying this because I've done it over and over. Making money online in 2023 is probably the easiest thing that you can do if you put your mind to it. Problem is, most people give up way too soon and they're using outdated strategies. So that's why I'm here to give you guys the new ones and the strategies that actually work. If at any point it's not working, then it's one of those things you didn't do right. So instead of sitting on the side crying, get advice by asking others in our community and looking at very successful e-commerce stores and products to see what they're doing or may not be doing right. In another video, I will be showing you guys examples of successful products and successful stores so you can model after them. That'll be for another video. So make sure you subscribe if you enjoy this one. Enjoy my winter product cheat sheet. Sam. This is a cheat sheet that I give to all my course members, all my students, and all my one-on-one mentorship students. I want you to remember finding the right product and scaling it up can absolutely change everything for yourself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a glimpse at this cheat sheet, and we're gonna go through the exact step-by-step process on how I would find my next winner product, and we're gonna do it live. So there's 12 ways that I find winner products, and I'm gonna show you guys 2 of them, one of my top 2 ways to find winner products. If you want access to the rest of the strategies, they are only for course members, so you can go to ecomuppriseuniversity.com and sign up, or go to samjacobs.org to watch a free training on exactly how to make your first $100,000 online. The free training that I put together is absolutely insane, so I highly recommend go watch it. This is how to start and scale your own e-commerce business from scratch, and then at the end of it, you can book a call with me and my team, and then we can see if you're the right fit for our programs. My programs have made hundreds of success stories. You could be next. It's all about taking that action. Now back to our video. The first website that I use is called Mania.com. Now, full transparency, Mania has worked with me in the past. They paid me for promotion, but I've worked with a lot of product research softwares in the past, and this one is by far my favorite. So that's why I want to bring it back to this video, and it is a strategy that I use till today to find my products. On Mania, they literally show you hundreds of winner products that you can use in your store. My favorite section on this website is the dashboard, and what I like to look for is the top 10 products of the day. Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and Pinterest ads. So literally they'll show you all these different products that you can use for your store. And what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna watch a few videos and I'm gonna show you which product I like the most.
This might be some of the prettiest packaging I have ever seen. I mean, look at this. Stunning. Let's see how it actually performs.
So, I mean, that's a makeup kit. I don't see anything special about it. So I'm just gonna go to the next video. So right off the bat, this has a really good hook. This product will probably do well on TikTok organic, so you definitely can use it if you'd like. Now, this is cool. I don't see anything special or like a big problem it's solving. So not really something I like. I'm so confused. I don't even know what that does. But what Mania is pretty cool. I like this product a lot, by the way. So literally it can make it hot, cold, whatever you want. It's a scarf for the winter. Really, really good product. Let's check it out. And this is exactly what I do for my winter products. I go and I click around, I check it out, I see if it's something that I can advertise for myself. It looks like it's not in English. I don't know what language this is. Maybe you guys can tell me in the comments below. But as you can see, they are selling this for $16.99. I think it could be sold for $29.99 or more. And this is a great product because it's being advertised in another country, and if it's working in another country, it can work in the US as well. So this is what I usually do. I go to a website like Mania, I take a look at how well the video is doing, and as you can see, it's running for 10 days and it's already going viral. So if it's going viral for them, I can do it too. And this is a product that would be on my potential list. So you can go through the dashboard, go through the TikTok ads, go through the Pinterest ads, and you can find a lot of products in here that are actually really, really good that you can use for your store. This is the #1 website on my list, and this is what I use for my product research. Now, just because you find a product on here doesn't mean it's gonna work. We have to go through a characteristic sheet to make sure that this is validated. So here are some characteristics that you can use if you plan on running TikTok or Facebook ads. Ideally, you wanna rate your product 1 out of 10 for every single one. If your score is 40 and more after looking at all these different things, it's a good product. So let's go through each one and see if that scarf is a good product. #1, virality. Can you imagine Kim Kardashian or a huge influencer posting about it? Do you want to tell your friends and talk about it when they get it? Can influencers use the product, or is there good content on it? So this is the first question I ask myself. And let's look at the scarf, for example, right? Now, I could see a big influencer like David Dobrik post about this product, like wearing it, like, yo guys, check out this really cool scarf. It warms you up during the winter. So yeah, I could see an influencer wearing it and using it. Do people want to tell their friends about it and talk about it when they get it? I think I would love to tell my friends when I would get this product, because I mean, like, it's cool, right? It's different. It's a wow factor. It's like when you see it, you're like, whoa, that's so cool, and you want to tell your friends when you get cool things. Can you use influencers for this product? 100%. You can definitely send this product to other influencers, and this is something that you want to keep in mind. #2, audience. Does it have a big audience? Okay, you have to ask yourself how many people in the world would actually be interested in this product, right? If it's over 50 million people, you can just estimate. If it's a product like a scarf, everyone wears scarves, so it for sure is over 50 million. So this is a good check for us. Now, you also want to ask yourself, are they passionate audience? Are they money spending audience, right? Do they care about the product? Is it an audience that spends money? For example, mothers and people like that who actually spend money on their stuff, or women in general, are a great audience. I like products that are women oriented like this, because like they just spend more money than men. Sorry guys. And #3, price, offer, right? Can you make a deal on this product that no one can resist? Can you sell the product for at least 3 to 5 of the cost? If you're doing TikTok organic, it'll be 2x. The minimum price of $20. Don't go lower than $20. In my opinion, that's just what I've seen that works best, unless you're doing free plus shipping. Better margins, the better. Do people buy multiple of them, right? Are people gonna buy one scarf or a few scarves? They're probably gonna buy a few of them. Is there related products you can sell? Of course, you can sell gloves, you can sell hats. High perceived value. Does it look expensive, right? That's something to keep in mind. #4, brandable aspect, right? Can you build a brand out of that product? Like for the scarf, of course, you can make a scarf brand or a winter brand, something like that. Can you improve the product in the future? Can you put your logo on the product? Is there related items that you can sell? Content. So these are questions you need to ask yourself, and I'm literally giving them for free to you guys. By the way, we're going to be uploading 30 times this month, so I'm literally going on a grind. I'm going to be releasing as ton of value as I could, so make sure that you subscribe for more information coming soon. And #5, not easily found in stores. Can this product be found in your local 99-cent store, or any type of store, CVS, any store you guys have near you? Can it be found on a store like that, or is it not really being seen before? Okay. And this comes down to competition, because if you're selling a product that everyone is selling and that is in every single store, it's kind of hard to sell. You want to find a product that has a wow factor, something that screams, wow, this is amazing. So you want to keep these things in mind. And overall, based off the 5 things that I've seen in this product, I would rate this probably a 40 out of 50. Let's just do a tally. Virality, I would probably do a 10 out of 10 since it's a product that I can see a lot of people posting about. 2, audience, I would do this at 8 out of 10, so we're at 18 so far, just because it is a passionate audience, but it's not anything that like people have to spend money on. It doesn't sound like a crazy big problem, but I would do it as an 8 since I can sell this to the women and women buy everything. Number 3, offer. Do people buy multiple of them? High perceived value. Does it look expensive? So yeah, I definitely think that with the right images, this look expensive and people will buy multiple of them, and I could get it for at least probably like, I don't know, I could probably get that for $5 to $10. I would have to look on AliExpress, and I could probably sell it for around $30 to $40 easily. So yes, it has really good margins. Does it have the brandable aspect? Can I build a brand out of it? I could, and I would definitely give this a 10, except that it's only good for the winter. It's not really good for the summer. So that's why I would give it an 8 out of 10 also. But this is a 10 out of 10. So far, we're at 10 for the price, we're at 10 for virality, 8 for audience, and 8 for brandable aspect. So that's a total of 36. And then not easily found in stores. I haven't seen this in stores at all, but it's something like so cool that I haven't seen before. I've seen other people advertise it, so I'll give this a solid 5. So a total of 41, right? So 41 out of 50, not bad at all. And this is a product that I would use and sell. There you go, a free winter product that you guys can use. Overall, the winter product formula is when someone says, oh my God, I need this and I can't say no to this deal right now. Okay, that's something you want to keep in mind for when you find your next winter product. And if your product screams, wow, this is amazing, I need this, then it's a great potential of being your next winter product. Okay, awesome. Now, the next strategy that I use, this is the final strategy. This is my most favorite strategy. I like to scroll through TikTok and to see if there's any viral products at all. And I'm going to do it with you. I like to use these hashtags, okay? I made a bunch of hashtags that you guys can use. Again, I can't show you the other strategies just because that's for my course members and it's just top secret. But these are, one of my top 2 methods to finding winter products that you guys can use. And let's go ahead and find another winter product using this method right here. Okay, so we're on TikTok right now, and we're gonna type in a few hashtags. So we're gonna type in hashtag TikTok made me buy it, okay, just like this. And we can scroll through here and literally look for products on end, okay? There's all these stores who are crushing it right now with these products. So let's say, for example, this product.
Offered me $6 million for this product.
Sucky, I'm a savage. Smacker, booty, and magic.
This is a pretty funny product. It's called a Bio Cup. Let's take a look at their website and see how they're doing. Page not found. So they're doing a terrible job. They don't even know how to advertise this product. I mean, their website isn't that amazing anyways. So, I mean, look, you guys can swoop in there and use this product for your liking. I mean, they're getting decent amount of views. They're not getting so many views, but definitely recommend looking for products that are getting traction recently. So if the product videos are not getting views in the last seven days, if they're not going viral, then usually it's a dead product. So I like to find products that are doing very well right now. Okay, so let's look at a few other products right over here. Let's look at this
Never
one.
buying from a small TikTok business again. I mean, look at this thing. Like, how is this gadget actually gonna close my door automatically? Doesn't make any sense. So I sticked her on my wall and grabbed the other little sticky piece so that actually connects to each other. So I attached them, and apparently it's gonna automatically close my door every time I open it. So, like, no way. No way, what?
So at the end of the day, this product's like pretty cool. I don't really think it's like so like wow, but the way he advertises it is pretty awesome. As you can see, like it doesn't look like he is advertising that product in particular. He's advertising a lot of different products. But let's look at, for example, his website. He's advertising, I guess, 2 different products. One, he's doing the automatic door closer, And then he's also doing this wearable blanket, which is pretty cool. So these products actually, it's really nice. He's selling for 75 bucks. His website is pretty nice, not like anything special. He doesn't have any reviews or anything like that. But it looks like this guy's doing okay on TikTok, but not necessarily a product that I want to advertise. Let's keep looking. Okay, so let's use a different hashtag here, okay? Let's use the hashtag cool products, okay? We're gonna go ahead and copy that from this sheet, and then we're gonna go and then paste it in here. And let's see if we can find anything that really captures my attention. What we're looking for is something that looks cool and that also looks a little bit expensive. We don't want to be selling these cheap 99-cent store products, because those are the products that, you know, they kind of get clicks, but they don't really get sales. And we want to find things that people would actually buy. Okay, so let's look at this product. It looks like, ooh, this is interesting.
This is my water bottle. It's really cool.
Let's
We've
look at
got
this.
these flavors down here that whenever I press this button right here, it picks the flavor, and then I just hold it down, and it dispenses the flavor.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yo, so this is my water.
Oh, that is so cool. So this is a product that I would probably sell. This is pretty cool. So what it is, it's basically something that can put in like little, there's so many different flavors you can put in water today, and people are trying to drink water more often, but you know, the flavor sometimes people don't like. So this is a good thing that, you know, like you can literally sell the pods that go into the water, and you can sell the water bottle separately. So this is a product that I'd probably sell. I can call it something like I don't know. I would have to come up with a really cool name for this product, but this is something that I love. And then if I went back to the cheat sheet, I would check all those off, and I know for a fact this would be over 40, and this could be another winner product. So there you go. Those are two different methods that you can use, and this is something that I use to find products that literally go crazy for myself. The key is you want to be early to the party. You got to look for if other people are advertising it. If other people are advertising it, you know, it's probably going to work, but probably not work as well. If you find nobody advertising it, it could be a crazy big banger. So keep that in mind, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're growing so freaking quick. Let's get it. Peace out.